Hello students, today we will start some transactions related to GST and we will consider for intra-state transaction, that is within the state. Okay, so we have got certain journal entries and the transactions are given where you have to incorporate 6% CGST and 6% SGST. Now before that I would like to discuss with you certain items which are exempted from GST. Okay, so here are the items which is not applicable for GST calculation. First we have amount introduced as capital, then drawings, amount deposited and withdrawn from bank, amount paid to creditors and discount received on that, then amount received from debtors and discount allowed, bad debts written off and recovered, payment of wages, salary, electricity bill, traveling expenses, etc. So these are the transactions which will not be coming under GST payment as well as collection. So here we have the first transaction as purchase goods for rupees 2 lakh in credit from Y Limited. So when we are purchasing we have to pay input GST, and since it is told in the question that 6% input GST CGST and 6% input SGST will be applicable, so the transaction stands like this: purchase account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to Y Limited account, and the credited amount will be 2,24,000. Then we have a sales transaction. In case of sales we have to consider output GST. Okay, so the debtors account, that is R Limited account, is debited with the value including the GST. Now how to calculate the GST? Output GST will be 6% of 3 lakh, that is 18,000. So CGST output goes as 18,000 and output SGST goes as 18,000. Okay, so the debit amount is 3,36,000 and credit for sales will write 3 lakh, and the output CGST and output SGST will be separately calculated. Then number 3, we have paid a legal fees. So on that also we are paying input CGST and input SGST. 6% of 5,000 is 300, so the cash amount goes total as 5,600. Next we have paid rent. So on rent also we have to give the GST. So the input CGST becomes 1,200, that means 20,000 into 6%, and input CGST SGST also becomes 1,200. So the value total from bank, since we have paid it from bank account through check, so it is becoming 22,400.